Professor Liu is going to show you how to do number 3. As I show you number 3, each of the section 90 to 100, you draw a number line. You draw a number line. It will be 90 less than x less than 100, and you draw a number. So it's 2 rays. Each of the section need to use a and but this will be too much. If you use and, will take too much of the time to compare. So another way is we store them together, and we're going to use simplified way. So let me show you how to do it right here. Okay, hold on. All right, so I am going to do number 3. Is that right? All right, so number 3, I'm okay, create new project in C++, and I'm going to do chapter 6 classwork underscore 3, sorry, 3. Then I'm going to create new item, add new item, and that will be chapter 6 classwork underscore 3. All right, so I am going to start it right now. First, I have a score. Let's do as integer. That's fine. Score. It's okay. So, and we're going to have char as letter grade. It's okay. Letter grade. All right. So first, we're going to make sure all the letter is in the range. The right range is 0 to 100. So we're going to say if, okay, score is greater than equal 0, and score, oh, by the way, I have to enter first. Okay, just a minute. Score is less than equal 100. I'm going to do that, and I'll do something else. I'm going to see out, enter a score, a score, and I'm going to say between 0 to 100. All right. All right. So then, and first I want to say invalid input. All right. So now I have to come here to X output. So cout enter a score. All right, so I have that right now, and let me make this to 175 larger for you. All right, so inside here, inside this valid, so this is a valid validation. This is valid group. A group is, you are 0 to 100. There are 5 groups. 5 groups. So as we told you, there are 5 groups right here. 5 groups here. Okay, we have 5 groups. So we are going to do, we are going to do the if group for this, else group for that, else if for the rest of them. All right, so let's start it right now. So I'm going to say, and when I sort it, very important, I want to explain it to you. When I sort this right now, and 90 to 100, I sort them. If I sort it from larger to small, so here if we use greater than, I decide to use to sort it, and I want to compare the left number. So so all the number in this group is greater than 90. The smallest number is 90. Otherwise 91, 92, also all the number are greater than this number. So I will use greater than. So if score is greater than equal 90. All right, so I don't need to do and. The whole purpose is if I do like this, I can truncate, I can delete the end part. So I'm going to say letter grade equal A. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to else if. Then I'll say score greater than equal 80. Okay. And letter grade will be B. This will be B. All right. Oh, Jesus. All right. Then I'm going to say else if score is greater than equal 70. All right. Then I am going to do the letter grade equal C. Notice I use a single quotation because that's characters. I should have 3 sets of if else. I should have 3 sets of else if. Okay. All right, the rest of them else letter grade equal F. All right, so this called if else if structure. So when you do if else if structure is whenever you have more than 20, 25, you are dealing a group of numbers. And 21st century is big data century. You probably have a billion, trillion, whatever number is always big. So you have to think a way how to sort them together. So how to sort is very important. After you sort them together, then you sort them is descending or ascending. If this is descending, and sort them in groups, and we do this way. Let me run this program right now with you. So build it and start without debugging. So I'm going to put 1000. All right. So invalid input, so the program will stop. Okay, we don't want to do 1000. We don't have nothing about that. So we're going to do this right now. If I put 85, 8B, 85. Okay, I forgot to output. Is that right? So once you done this inside here, then you need to say this right now. CL. Oh, sorry. Your score of. All right, score is a is letter grade. Okay, right here, letter grade. All right, so if you are valid, then you got the score. Otherwise, you got the invalid. Okay, so let's try it one more time. Oh, I have to build one more time, rebuild it. And start without debugging. Let me put 500, okay? So 500 are invalid, okay? And let me do one more time. I'll do 85, okay? 85. So your score of 85 is B, okay? So that will be your number 3 program. I hope you like it. I hope you like this. And one more time, this is good for more than 25 is a group of number. Number one, you need to group them together, all right, and sort them together. Then if this is descending order, you use greater than the minimum number from each group. Minimum number from each group. One more time. You sort them together. You sort them from a higher to a lowest. Then use greater than, and the number you put here will be the smallest number in each group. So you will put 90, 80, 70, 60. All right, guys, one more time. You will sort them in descending order, and you use greater than, and the delimiter, the number you are using to decide delimiter will be the smallest number in each group, 90, 80, 70, 60. The last one don't need to do anything. So I hope you understand the structure. With this, you can do selection for any group of number. Okay, to millions number, there's no problem as long as you sort them. Okay.